Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
We learned about vacuoles in the last class, and we started with two types of cell division also. So we'll be continuing with cell division today. Before that, one of you brief me what we learned about vacuoles. Changiri? What are they? What are their functions? Where do we find them? You may begin. I'll ask others to continue.
Ma'am, they are storage of
Storage
storage
sacks.
sacks of
Don't
solid or
look
liquid
anywhere. Solid and
liquid.
Liquid substances. They are storage sacks with solid and liquid substances. Then Shivanya.
Ma'am, in plant cells, vacuoles are larger, and in animal cells, they are smaller.
Very good. Next point, Abhishek.
Ma'am, in plant cells, vacuoles are filled with cell slabs.
Cell slab. Cell sap. L is not there. Okay. Anlia, next point.
Ma'am, it provides
Anlia, you are reading from somewhere? Anlia's video got posted. Mishal?
rigidity and
Yes, Anlia. Continue.
no, ma'am, I'm looking.
Ah.
Ma'am, it provides rigidity and turbidity to plant cells.
It provides rigidity and turgidity to the plant cells. Alia? Alia is preparing, expecting me to ask the question, no? Yes, Alia?
Vacuole store amino acids, sugar, and various
Organic acids, proteins, etc. Okay. Then, vacuoles are present in animal cells, no, Shivanand? Are vacuoles present in? Yes. What function do they perform in unicellular organisms like amoeba and paramecium?
Ma'am, they digest food, expelling
You are on a
excess
swing?
water.
Are you sitting on a swing, Shivanand?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me.
Expelling excess water and waste.
Very good. It will help in digesting food and expelling waste and also excess water. So those were the points that we learned about vacuoles, and we started with cell division. Why cell division is very important? Is it necessary? What is making you so happy, Alia? Share with us. We will also enjoy. No, somebody is there. Your sisters are there nearby. Okay. Catherine.
Yes, ma'am.
Why cell division is very important? What is its significance? What will happen if the cells are not dividing?
It is essential for growing.
Only for growth? In my case, I am not growing, but cell division is taking place. What for?
Replacing.
Repair. For repairing the damaged cells. Then it is also necessary for the formation of correct? Correct, Catherine.
Gametes.
Gametes. It is necessary for the formation of gametes. And we learned about two types of cell division. Midhan, your audio is working fine now?
Yes.
What are the two types of cell division?
Mitosis.
One more. E is silent in the second one. Mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis. So the differences we had already seen, but I'll show it again and explain. And children, one reminder for all of you, no video, no attendance. That has become my slogan. Every 15 or 10 minutes, I will repeat it. No video, no attendance. Okay. If somebody has forgotten it, do turn it on.
Ma'am, before my video was complete, not
okay, now it is on. No problem. I'm telling about those who continuously switch it off. No. Why you want to know that? If test is there, you learn everything. Let it be MCQ or lengthy question answers, whatever it is. Make the chapter or learn it thoroughly. And be prepared for writing any sort of test. cell division. All these points we had seen, but I'll repeat it again since this is a new topic for you. Cell division is the process by which new cells are formed in our body. Cells will divide and they will increase in number. And it is very important for growth, then repairing old, dead and damaged cells. So you're in your body, the different cells are getting damaged. So they need repair. And old cells, each cell is having a particular lifespan. So once it is completed, they'll get destroyed and it should be replaced by new cells. So for growing, we need a cell division, and it is also important to replace old, dead and injured cells. And then to form gametes, male and female gametes. So male gametes will be formed in the body of males and female gametes will be formed in the body of females. And for this also cell division is needed. And gametes are involved in, they are involved in sexual reproduction. So if gametes have to be formed, then cell division should take place. So these are the three main purposes for which cell division is carried out. Now let's see the two main types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis, you can see a cell is undergoing division. And what you see in light blue and the red color are the chromosomes. Okay, so here you can see one, just a minute. The number of chromosomes will remain the same in mitosis. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chromosomes. This is the mother cell. This mother cell will undergo division and they will form 2 daughter cells. Only one division, just one division. Mother cell is dividing into two daughter cells. And if you count the number of chromosomes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chromosomes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 chromosomes. Okay, so the chromosome number of mother cell and daughter cell will remain the same. So we call it as equational division. Why you call it as equational division? Because the number of chromosomes will remain equal. The mother cell, once it undergoes division and forms daughter cells, the daughter cells will have the same number of chromosomes as that of the mother cell. Mother is having 8 chromosomes, daughter cells also will have 8. If mother cell is having 23 chromosomes, daughter cells will also have 23 each. And only 2 daughter cells are formed. Whereas in meiosis here 2 divisions are there. This is first division, second division. Whereas in mitosis only 1 division was there. And the cell, the mother cell, this is the mother cell. Mother cell is undergoing division. Now, how many chromosomes in mother cell? 4. And how many in daughter cell? See, 2 divisions are there. Finally, we are getting 4 daughter cells. Here only 2. Here 4. Not it. And the number of chromosomes. How many chromosomes are there as in the daughter cells? In each daughter cell. Tell me, how many chromosomes are there in each daughter cell? 2. 2 daughter cells. Okay. She was doubtful. This correct. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 each. Okay, Asin? You said 2, na? You showed action because you're scared to speak. How many?
2.
2 chromosomes. Mother is having how many chromosomes, Asin? Mother? Speak. I don't want any action.
4.
You're correct.
4.
Yes, Asin?
4.
4. And in daughter, just 2. That means the chromosome number is getting reduced to half. If 8 chromosomes are there, how many chromosomes each the daughter cells will have? Rudra, if mother cell is having 8 chromosomes, how many chromosomes the daughter cells will have in meiosis? Why to think so much? Let it be wrong. No problem. Where is Rudra? Mother cell 8. And this mother cell is undergoing meiotic division. How many chromosomes each the daughter cells will have? 4. Correct. Unmute and say. Why you people are getting scared? I will eat you up. I have told you earlier also, we learn from our mistakes. So feel free to speak. If it is wrong, I will correct you. If it is correct, I will appreciate you. Only that is there. Shivanya, if 46 chromosomes are there in the mother cells, how many daughter cells will be there? Sorry, how many chromosomes the daughter cells will have?
Ma'am, in meiosis.
Meiosis. Mother cell 46. Daughter cells will have dash chromosomes each.
23.
Wait, let us speak. Half of 46.
Ma'am, 23.
Why so doubtful?
No, ma'am, the 2 divisions are there.
That you don't have to worry. Finally, what is formed?
Okay.
Finally, when the daughter cells are formed, what will be the number of chromosomes? Okay. And how many daughter cells will be formed, Shivanya?
Ma'am, 4.
4. And if it is mitotic division, to Shivanya, question is to Shivanya. If the cell undergoing mitosis is having 46 chromosomes, mitosis,
Okay.
how many chromosomes the daughter cells will have?
Ma'am, 46.
46. Why? Because it is equational division. In mitosis, mother cell and the daughter cells formed will have same number of chromosomes. But if it is meiosis, the daughter cell will have only half the number of chromosomes present in mother cell. Very important. And hence we call it as reductional division, because the chromosome number is getting reduced. It becomes half. And in mitosis, how many daughter cells are formed? How many daughter cells are formed in
2
mitosis?
daughter cells.
2 daughter cells.
Mitosis.
2 daughter
Ma'am,
cells.
Meiosis.
4.
4. Make it thorough. Meiosis 4, mitosis 2 daughter cells. In mitosis, chromosome number remains same. In meiosis, chromosome number will be reduced to half. Thorough, no? How many divisions in mitosis?
2.
1 or 2? Mitosis.
1.
Mitosis. Beyond.
One. Okay, one.
Meiosis. You speak.
2.
2. Meiosis.
2.
Meiosis.
2.
Mitosis.
1.
1 what? 1 and 2
1.
are the numbers of?
Division.
Huh? And how many daughter cells? In
4 what?
mitosis, how many daughter cells?
2.
And meiosis, how many daughter cells are formed?
4.
Okay. So let us continue. We will see the differences. Mitosis, meiosis. I want you to learn along with me. Okay, already we had seen some of the points. Takes place in body cells. Mitosis is the cell division taking place in body cells, whereas meiosis is taking place in reproductive cells. Meiosis takes place in reproductive cells. Mitosis in body cells. Point number 2. Mitosis is needed for the growth and repair of tissues. Mitosis helps in growth and repair. And meiosis, it is necessary for the formation of gametes. And why gametes should be formed? To carry out fertilization. Now, third point. Mitosis results in the formation of two identical daughter cells. Why are they identical? Because they are having the same number of chromosomes. Whereas in meiosis, two divisions are included and produces 4 new daughter cells. 4 daughter cells are formed. Now let's see what is the speciality of these daughter cells. In meiosis, daughter cells will have the same number of chromosomes as that of the mother cell. Whereas in meiosis, daughter cells will be having just half the number of chromosomes. Okay. If mother cell is having 80 chromosomes, say for example, the mother cell is having 80, daughter will have 40. If mother is having 40, daughter cell will have 20. And if the mother cell is having 16, daughter cell will have 8, just the half. Whereas in mitosis, mother is having 16 chromosomes, daughter will also having 16. If mother is having 18, daughter cell also will have 18. It will not change. Okay? Have you learned?
Ma'am, what is other name for meiosis?
Meiosis.
Yes.
Reductional division. I'll write over here. Just a minute. Reductional. Reductional division. Why it got the name reductional division? Because when the mother cell undergoes division, the 4 daughter cells formed will have half the number of chromosomes as that of the mother cell. Whereas mitosis is equational division. Here the chromosome number will remain the same. Mother cell and daughter cell will have the same number of chromosomes. Have you learned all the 4 differences?
Yes.
Everyone? Asin, have you learned?
3 points.
Okay, you take time. 1 more minute you can take.
Okay, ma'am.
We learned the 4 differences between mitosis and meiosis. And you can tell me, you want me to call out your names or you will voluntarily say the points? Yes, Midun, first point.
It takes place in body cell mitosis.
Mitosis takes place in body cells. And Midun, next time onwards, no? Just adjust your camera in such a way that I can see your face.
Ma'am, it's small. That's why the wire
But
is
you can
too
adjust.
small.
But this side, no, I am seeing your window more than your face. Okay, next point.
Okay, ma'am.
Under meiosis.
Meiosis occur in reproductive cells.
Meiosis takes place in reproductive cells. Second point. Second point, Alina Varghese. Unmute. The moment you hear the question, unmute.
It helps in reproduction.
Which one? Mitosis or meiosis?
Mitosis.
No. Meiosis helps in reproduction. How it will help in reproduction? It will help in the formation of
Gametes.
Gametes, and these gametes take part in sexual reproduction. What about mitosis? What are its uses? They help in what? Alina?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you grow? Tell me. Mitosis helps in what? Growth, repair. Repeat the point. Mitosis and meiosis, both points.
Mitosis helps in growth and repairing. Meiosis helps in reproduction of gametes and fertilization.
Production of gametes. Meiosis helps in the production of gametes, which will take part in fertilization. Okay. Now, Christo, next point.
Daughter cells have the same Number of chromosomes.
As that of the mother cell. In
Mother
which
cell.
division, Christo? In which division? Mitosis or meiosis?
Mitosis.
Very good. And in meiosis? You can.
Daughter cells have half number of chromosomes.
As that of
That
the
of
mother cell.
cells.
Very good. Next point. Vinayak?
Form two identical daughter cells. Mitosis. Meiosis involves two consecutive division and produces four new cells.
Okay, agreed. Now close the book. Now try. Don't keep there in such a way that you can read. You tell me. Now you try. I will help. I told I am here to help you. You start. Unmute. Vinayak. Tell me about mitosis.
Two
first.
identical daughter cell
Will be formed.
involves two.
No, forget
meiosis
about it.
involves two.
Listen. What you said, complete that point. In mitosis, how many daughter cells are formed?
Two
Two
identical.
daughter cells are formed. Two identical daughter cells are formed. Repeat that point once again.
Form two identical daughter cells.
Which division? That also you should say. In
Mitosis.
mitosis.
In meiosis involves two.
Wait. I didn't understand it properly. Say it again. Same point. In mitosis.
In mitosis, form two identical daughter cells.
Okay, agreed. Now in meiosis,
In meiosis,
tell me how you don't read the same line or ditto. I don't want to hear it. You tell me how many daughter cells are formed in meiosis.
two.
Meiosis. In mitosis, two daughter cells. In meiosis, how many?
Four.
Four. Say it in a sentence. In meiosis,
Meiosis, four daughter.
daughter cells are formed. Okay. Now the next part of what you said. In mitosis, only one division. In meiosis, two divisions. Don't read as it is or don't learn or by heart as it is given. You can, keeping all the scientific terms as such, you can say it in your own words. Okay, Vinayak? Next class, you'll be able to say all the 4 points?
Sir.
Okay. Any doubts, children?
No.
Okay. So shall we wind up?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
thank you. See you next class.
Thank you.
ma'am.